You gonna dance again? Dance again! Yay! Dance again! 1, 2, 3, dance! Dance! Yay! Good job!
Uh-oh, what happened?
What happened?
My gun's was wrong. It's broken.
It's not broken.
Uh-oh, what's that toy?
It's just a purse.
Dun, dun, dun.
Good dancing.
Dun, dun, dun.
Good job.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Broken.
It's alright, we'll fix it.
Yeah, a turn.
What?
Yay.
What?
Oh no.
You want the music?
Yeah. Twelve. Dun, dun, dun. Again.
You want to go for a ride with Mommy?
No.
We have to go shopping. And we have to get the mail.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dance, dance, dance.
There you go.
Thank you.
Turn, turn. Yay.
Do you know what that is? It's a purse with some pretty fun hardware on it.
Dun, dun. Do one by three.
What?
There you go. On. There you go.
So when it's on, do you dance? On. Dance. Off. No dance. Okay, turn it on. Dancing. Yay! Off. No dancing. Okay, dance. Yay! Good job. No dancing. Now, dancing. Very nice. Good dancing, buddy. No dancing. Dance. Good job. No dance.
Uh-oh.
Is it broken?
It's okay.
Okay, good. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Colin likes to dance.
Oh no.
Is it broken?
Yay. Again.
Again. Do it again. Nice. Yeah. Dancing baby.
Oh
Huh.
no.
Oh no.
You're broken.
It's broken.
Uh-oh.
What do we do?
Turn. Turn.
Okay, turn it on. Good job.
Oh no. You're broken.
No, I just turned it off.
Okay.
Yeah. Because we have to go outside. We have to go get the mail. Okay?
Okay, and I'm
You're going to take the purse with you?
then
Okay, you dance.